Good Wednesday, everyone. Taking a look at our daily weather map for today. The big headline news story this morning is Hurricane Ian. Hurricane Ian went from a Cat 3 with 120 miles per hour winds to almost a Cat 5 overnight, with winds now at 155 miles per hour. Cat 5 begins at 157. So the storm certainly exploded in intensity last night, and that is not good news for Florida at all. And as you can see, almost the entire state is highlighted in a severe weather risk today and also a flood risk for today. Significant rainfall will accompany this storm, as well as devastating storm surge along the coast and just all kinds of other hazards that go along with storms that are of this magnitude. So this will likely be a historic hurricane for Florida, and more than likely the name Ian will be retired after this storm is finished. Looking elsewhere across the country, we see some dense fog across the northern Gulf Coast, and then you see some showers across New England and some showers across the western U.S., but nothing else in the country is very trivial at all except for that Hurricane Ian. Checking out our 5-day outlook, nothing trivial in our forecast either. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday looking great. We'll have a few more clouds floating across the sky on Friday, but other than that, things are looking good. Highs generally in the 60s. Overnight lows generally in the low 40s, climbing to around 50 by Friday night with clouds and a few showers around. And then Saturday and Sunday, unfortunately, looking like scattered showers and thunder showers with the remnants of Ian moving our way. I'll show you a map of that here in just a moment. Those may be tapering off by Sunday night, but nevertheless, if you have outdoor plans this weekend, make sure you have indoor plan backups because it looks like it could get a little soggy. Checking out the track of Ian, as you can see, it's coming into just south of Tampa, it looks like now, for the forecast landfall. That's good news for Tampa. That keeps them with the offshore winds on the north side of that storm. That really keeps that storm surge down a lot lower. So let's hope that that stays true for at least that area, because it's a heavily populated area. And then look at that. The track pretty much crisscrosses Florida and then gets up into the Atlantic, remains a tropical storm, and makes landfall again on the South Carolina coast. And then there it'll make its way northwestward toward Asheville, North Carolina. This is not good news for the fall foliage, folks, because the leaves will be weak on the trees and whatnot. So you've got heavy rainfall, gusty winds. That could be detrimental, especially to the higher elevations where leaves are already changing. So, but it does look like for us, we'll see just some general showers and thunder showers. Right now, the forecast accumulated rainfall is around 1 inch. So we'll see how that pans out as we get a little closer to time. That'll, of course, all depend on the exact track of Ian. But right now, it's looking like we've got a good chance of rain this weekend, and that rainfall could accumulate to at least 1 inch. And we could use a good soaking light rain. Let's just, I hate it for the festivals. I know we got the hiking festival in Fairfield and the Allard Pumpkin Festival in Allard, but, we'll just have to be dodging some showers. Well, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up. For even more weather information, including a little bit better look at Ian, just keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.